Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate study abroad payments with Flywire, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate your study abroad payments with Flywire, first, visit the Flywire website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Once registered, log in to your Flywire account. Next, locate your institution in the search bar. Select your institution from the list to access specific payment options. Choose the type of payment you need to make, such as tuition or accommodation. Input the payment amount you are required to pay. Select your preferred payment method, which may include bank transfer, credit card, or other options. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Confirm your payment and follow any additional instructions provided. If necessary, upload any required documents, such as invoices or admission letters. After submitting your payment, check your email for a confirmation message from Flywire. You can track your payment status through your Flywire account dashboard. For recurring payments, navigate to the automated payments section within your account. Set up your payment schedule by selecting the frequency and amount. Make sure to review and confirm your automated payment settings. Once completed, your automated payment will be scheduled according to your preferences. Keep an eye on your email for updates or notifications regarding your payments. With these steps, you can efficiently automate your study abroad payments using Flywire. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.